Welcome to Kids Virtual School. Hello, kids. Welcome back to Kids Virtual School. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful world of flowers. Are you ready to learn the names of beautiful flowers? Let's go. Rose, tulip, sunflower, daisy, lily, orchid, daffodil, marigold, iris, violet, lotus, passion flower, bleeding heart, cherry blossom, magnolia, peony, frangipani, hibiscus, wisteria, snowdrop, bluebell, forget-me-not, primrose, lily of the valley, heather, pansy, baby's breath, crocus, viola, zinnia, petunia, geranium, snapdragon, aster, dahlia, morning glory, sweet pea, cosmos, ranunculus, poppy. Flowers make the world a more beautiful place. Which flower did you like the most? Share your thoughts with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.